Gordon.
Ew!
Yeah.
That's gross.
Yep, that's nasty. I don't think it's good.
That is disgusting, dude. It's like brown. Oh my gosh! It just like came off in like a clump.
Keep squeezing it.
That is nasty.
Yeah, squeeze
Here,
it
throw
some
this
more.
away.
That's
I'm
gross.
touching it.
Yeah, put it on your bed and sleep on it.
Michael, shut up.
Oh, that is sick.
Ew. That's what that's been. That's been in your leg since you've been here.
Dude, this has been in my leg since 7th grade.
Oh, it's nasty.
Oh my gosh. I think I might throw up.
I want to throw up.
Is that what smells too, or?
Oh, shut up.
I wonder how.
Ew.
I wonder how much more is in there.
I wonder too. I hope it's
gonna just pop everywhere in a minute.
I hope it's not muscle. I hope I can still run fast. Ew.
Oh yeah. God.
Ew. This is the first time I've been like completely grossed out by
Oh,
something.
you're telling me.
I told you. Oh my god, it's nasty.
That is gross.
Yeah, you almost hit Michael with it.
Yeah.
I'm seriously about to throw up.
You take that in the bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
When should I pause or stop?
Dude, don't.
What the hell is that? Go into the bathroom with that crap.
That was the most stuff I've
Pretty
ever
sure
seen
you
in my
did it,
life.
Michael, but I don't know.
I hope it
Oh,
didn't.
it hit your bed right there. That's what it hit.
Yeah, there's none on me or your phone.
No, seriously,
Swear to
no.
God, there's a piece of my shoe. I'm gonna kick your ass.
Oh, there's some right there too. I'm about to throw up.
Me too.
I'm not, but it's still gross.
Because this is coming out of my own body.
Are you gonna put this on
Let me
Facebook?
back up a little.
Heck no, I'm not putting this on Facebook. It's going to YouTube.
No, Vine it.
It's too long to find. Oh, that one squirty part?
Oh, it's so nasty.
That is gross. I can't believe it's still going. Oh!
God.
Ew!
Just stop.
Okay, I'm not doing this in a room anymore.